What's up, Chemical Guys family? Accidents happen. Check this out. We have this stain right here. We have kids in the backseat eating chocolate, and you know what? It's in their nature. Kids are going to be messy. We don't have a solution for your messy kids, but we do have a solution for your messy ride, and that is Nonsense All-Purpose Cleaner. Let me show you how easy it is to clean it up. All you need is to grab the bottle of Nonsense, and you can either spray directly or onto your brush. I'm going to do both. So I'm going to spray directly onto the surface. I'm going to spray some directly onto my brush. And then I'm simply just going to start scrubbing the surface. Now, keep in mind, a lot of this stuff is very like etched into the material. So that's why we're using a brush and not just a towel. Because if you really want to deep clean this, you want to make sure that you get into the texture of the material. And that's really what's going to separate you from just kind of wiping it down versus giving it a nice deep clean. And then after you finish cleaning it, you can always follow it up with your favorite Chemical Guys dressing like BRP to enhance the shine, restore it, and protect it all from the harsh UV rays to make sure that it doesn't get dried out or faded. So now that we've cleaned it, we're simply going to grab a premium microfiber towel and wipe off the residue. Now there is a little bit more on top here that I didn't see, but I'm going to go ahead and go back right now. I'm just making sure that the area that I just scrubbed with the Nonsense, I thoroughly wipe it down to ensure that that stuff doesn't get back stuck onto the surface. And then I'll grab my bottle of Nonsense, and just to kind of keep it more controlled, I'm going to spray some directly into the brush. That way I don't get too much overspray all over the place, even though it just kind of drooped all over the door panel right now. Not a big deal. We're just making sure that we clean this off because this candy, whatever it is, chocolate, the last thing that you want to do is have it permanently stain your surfaces. And it's not going to be a nice day for you because you're going to have to spend thousands of dollars in repairs in order to replace this door panel. That's it. That was your weekly cleanup tip from here at the Chemical Guys. My name is Joey. This has been a video brought to you by Nonsense All-Purpose Cleaner. We'll see you guys next time.